capital city of a great nation, the embodiment of a metropolis. A hotspot for the international press, a rendezvous for stars and guests of honor. Audi celebrated the highlights of the 2008 Paris Auto Salon with a series of spectacular evening events. Audi presents itself with visionary stand architecture, a progressive framework for the newest highlights from the brand. At the center of the booth, Audi reveals its heart to the motor show visitors. In a red room, the milestones of Audi technology are on display. This is the center of a pulsating media show that repeatedly envelops the entire Audi stand and accentuates the Audi show cars. The Audi A1 Sportback concept, a new cornerstone for the Audi brand in terms of efficiency, dynamics and driving pleasure, giving groundbreaking impulses for future Audi models. Audi typical perfection, dynamic, taut, masculine. The coupe-like roofline stretches itself across frameless windows and disappears seamlessly into the rear spoiler. The aerodynamic single frame signalizes a sporty presence. Futuristic design is also embodied in the three-dimensional headlights, featuring innovative LED technology. The rear lights of this design study integrate a multitude of functions, while inspiring with individual profiling and accentuating the horizontal rear end design.
We thought if you go shopping in a city, you want to get rid of your shopping bags in a very quick and easy way. So you don't have to open the side door or a big trunk lid which is in your way. We have the possibility to open up just a small wing, which is just about big enough to drop your bag. You can close it. You don't need that much space, it's light and it's quick.
The interior is surprisingly spacious, a perfect combination of ergonomics and aesthetics, featuring individual sports seats crafted in luxurious materials to create an exclusive atmosphere. Innovative operation. Even mobile phones can be integrated to control a wide variety of vehicle functions and operate in-car systems such as navigation or infotainment. Simply spectacular, the freely configurable 3D display. In the future, the driver can decide for himself what appears on the dashboard: speedometer, tachometer, status of the hybrid drive, or even infotainment menus. On board is a 1.4-litre TFSI motor with 150 horsepower, with an extra 27 horsepower delivered by an electric motor. Running emission-free solely on the electric motor is possible for a range of over 100 kilometers. Recuperation technology and electric mode operation reduce emissions and consumption by up to 30%. This translates to 3.9 litres of premium fuel for 100 kilometers or 92 grams of CO2 per driven kilometer. The Audi A4 TDI Concept E, a technical study not too far from being a series production vehicle. It allows agile driving while only consuming 3.9 litres of fuel for 100 kilometers, with CO2 emissions of merely 105 grams per kilometer. This is all made possible by the Audi Modular Efficiency Construction System. The source of dynamism is a direct injection TDI engine with 120 horsepower. Many other efficiency components reduce consumption further: soft springs on the induction valves, energy recovery systems, and the start-stop function. Magnesium reduces transmission weight. An optimized transmission ratio also affects consumption, as well as the servo steering assembly and electric brakes on the rear axle. The tyres of the Audi A4 TDI Concept E have been adjusted to reduce rolling resistance, and the aerodynamics improved. Even the driver becomes part of the overall efficiency concept. He can switch on the eco-training program that recommends the optimal gear, displays the CO2 emissions, or supports vehicle navigation by suggesting the most economical route. The trends in Paris? consumption and emissions are falling, while the fascination for Audi is on the rise. With sovereign design competence, leadership in quality and Vorsprung durch Technik.